How to get Wingstop promo code. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To get yourself your Wingstop promo code, first and foremost, launch a preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Wingstop promo code. You will find various websites dealing with the promo code and coupon code. You can select on any of the website that you prefer. In the website itself, you will find various of coupon code that you can use it for yourself. To never miss out from the coupon code, you can enter email address and tap on Get Alerts. Just tap on the coupon code or promo code. To get it for yourself, just tap on the copy button. After which, tap on Redeem at wingstop.com to redeem it instantly. To use your promo code or coupon code, firstly go ahead and purchase a meal of your Wingstop. When checking out, you will see a dialog box where it says promo code or coupon code. Just paste the promo code, or chances are the promo code is already applied. You will even see substantial discount in your grand total. And that is how you get the Wingstop promo code and use it. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.